Alright, got the front mount pump back from our friends at Advantage Steering. Check this baby out. She's a beauty. Of course, we're gonna paint her old Ford blue, but it's already hit in the cast, which will help as a sealant and a primer. So we're gonna spray this baby up right now, and then we'll put her on. Alright, so there is the snout of our crank. Our seal is going to go around the crank there. We actually have the seal right here. Let me demonstrate. Just gonna go like so. Goes like that. But I always put it on the back side of the pump. Makes it much easier. But that's how she goes. Alright, so we made sure to align our keyway that's on the crank. Get everything aligned. Get the pump located. And now we're carefully drawing the pump in gently with the two shouldered bolts. So I've been bringing them in, and then we'll slowly torque it down. These bolts are shouldered, and there's a bushing in there. Put that baby on and in where it's supposed to be. Finish up on this side. Then we gotta hook up our return line and our pressure hose. And then we'll put fluid in this system. Well, it's the feed line technically. Alright, pump is in and bolted down. Hoses are in. Hard line in. Gonna put a little bit of fluid in it now. And we'll put on the balancer. Alright, we got our balancer started with our crank key. We'll put our balancer tool on there, run her down a little bit, and then put our bolt in. Right, installing the balancer. Got my installer all set up. Gonna bring the balancer down, put the bolt in, and then we'll put on our belts. Get that all done. And fan clutch, shroud, and then radiator. Balancer is on. Whew. It's warm today, so that wasn't exactly fun. Alright, got our belts on and all tensioned up. Looking good. I put new belts here for the alternator. They were a little cracked. AC belt was looking good. Got our fan and fan clutch all mounted. Next step is our shroud and our radiator. And we fill this baby with coolant. Alright, we got our shroud laid in. Gonna put our radiator, set it down, mount it up, get our hoses on and our two transcooler lines, mount our shroud. Alright, radiator's where it's supposed to be. Hoses are all connected. Cooler lines are connected. We're gonna wipe up down there, fill this thing with coolant. We have our two upper isolators. We're gonna bolt those babies down, and we are ready to go.